Okay, today we're going to unbox and check out the new M18 random orbital cylinder from Milwaukee. Standard box packaging, looks pretty good. Got a nice grip on it, good dial for speed control. The on off feels like a pretty comfortable hand grip. Standard set of instructions. A couple of discs included. Let's see what we've got for. We've got a P80, just a couple of P80s, so we'll have to see about some other grits. We'll see how good that loop and hook system works on there. Looks like a good dust filtration system. A couple of different ones. Looks like you can attach a vacuum right to it. That's pretty nice. That makes it very convenient. A little extension on there, so you can attach to the hose, and the hose won't be banging against whatever it is you're trying to sand. Looks pretty nice so far. Inside is the filter. That looks pretty good. Well, that's not the easiest to take off. Looks pretty handy. Okay, so I've got, first thing we're going to check this out on here is this fuel tank that I'm working on. A little bit of sanding. I got a fresh battery here. M18. This tool is just the tool only, so unless you have some other Milwaukee M18 tools, you're going to need to order one that comes with a battery. So we've got our trusty respirator on. I'll start this out on the slowest speed. But overall, it's not too bad. It's fairly good in the hand. You can hold it either way, and it's fairly comfortable. Just depending on what you've got to work with and how much room you have. We're going to check out this dust filtration system now and see what that looks like. But as you can see from the machine itself, it is caked pretty good in that fine dust. So I guess it just depends on what you're sanding. It did collect fair amount in there, as you can see, but you're probably better off putting a vacuum on, especially when you're dealing with something this fine. Of course, you're never going to get all of that material captured unless you're dealing with a much better system for dust collection and air filtration. Now, I've gone ahead and given this a blast of air, clean it off a bit, but I also wanted to show you the battery. Just after that short amount of time, this CP115 M18 battery is already down to 2 bars from being completely full. So you don't have a whole lot of time on this thing, but I'm going to give it a go with a new disc and without that dust collector on, and just see what the difference is, if there is any major difference in how much dust gets on the machine. So without that dust collector on, the machine actually looks like it stayed cleaner than with it on. Again, the sanding disc definitely needs to be replaced, but again, already down to 1 bar on the battery, and I had that running at 3 most of the time for this application.
Now here I've put a fresh battery on. I just want to see exactly how long it'll take, or how long it'll run at speed 6, and how long that battery will last. So there it is, completely dead after about 9 minutes on speed 6 of that. Not very much time with one of these batteries for sanding. And as you can see, the machine itself, without that dust guard on, stayed fairly clear. With it on, there was quite a bit of dust collected on the machine, so you're going to want to blow it off and spend a bit of time maintaining this piece of equipment after it's done. Thanks very much for watching.